We welcome you to school today. School today. School today. We welcome you to school today. Please come and play. We are glad to have you here today. Here today. Here today. We are glad to have you here today. Yes, it's a special day. Welcome everyone once again. Chalo. Now we are going to sing God's love together. Let's start. Together means we all sing it together. साथ में पढ़ेंगे. Start. God's love, it's so wonderful. God's love, it's so wonderful. God's love, it's so wonderful. So wonderful love. So wonderful love. So high, we can't get over it. So high, we can't get over it. So deep, we can't get under it. So deep, we can't get under it. So wide, we can't get around it. So wide, we can't get around it. So wonderful love. So wonderful love. All right. Kids, now let's talk about the day and the date. अच्छा मैम आपको डेली क्यों डेट और डे बताते हैं? Why? Because it is important to know कि कौन सा दिन है, कौन सी डेट है. So you all have to pay attention here. When I'm going to ask you ना कि आज कौन सा डे है, तो you should know about the day and the date. ठीक है? तो pay attention here. So kids, today is Friday. Yes, Drishya, you want to say something? There are 12 months in a year. There are 12 months in a year. Let's say it together. Start. January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, and December. Okay. So, mothers, kindly pay attention. Mothers, kindly pay attention. Yes, kindly pay attention. Tomorrow, Saturday and Monday, there are holidays, okay, on both the days. Tomorrow, there is the last Saturday of the month. That is why it's a holiday tomorrow. And on Monday, there is a holiday on account of Janmashtami. All right? Tomorrow, there is a holiday because tomorrow is the last Saturday of the month. Okay? And Monday is a holiday on account of Janmashtami. All right? And one more thing, pay attention, kindly pay attention. As I told earlier as well, that the first term exams are about to start. And from the second week of the September. You are going to get the timetable very soon. From the second week of September, most probably from 6th September, we are going to have our exam, first term exams. So before that, kindly clear all your dues till September. Otherwise, we won't allow the child to sit in the exam. All right? Okay. And if anyone is having any query related to exam, then you ask me. Come on, everyone. stand up for warm-up exercises. Let's start. So first you have to stretch your arms and clap. पहले slowly करेंगे. गर्व not like this. गर्व 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 wait. Stretch your arms, clap. Stretch your arms, clap. Stretch your arms, clap. Ma'am, no. Only online. Exams are going to be taken by online method only. And we have not permitted by the government to take exams offline or to call kids. So that's why only online we are going to take. Start. Stretch your arms, clap. Stretch your arms, clap, Prablin. Clap properly. Now fast, 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 fast. Very good. Now wiggle your fingers. Slowly, slowly, slowly. Now fast. David, I'm looking at you. David. Now keep both the hands on your waist. आपके दोनों हाथ आपकी कमर पे रखो. Now jump, 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 jump. Yes. Okay. Now stretch your arms and move your wrist. Move your wrist. Okay. Now raise your hands higher and bend yourself. Try to touch your feet. Again, raise your hands higher and bend yourself. Try to touch your feet. Come on, one more time. David, how you are doing, beta? Raise your hands higher and bend yourself. Try to touch your feet. Chalo. Now what we are going to do? Show your thumbs. Keep it on your shoulders. Namaste. Do I say to sit? Chalo. Forward. Forward. आगे की तरफ move करेंगे. Move your hands forward. Now backward. 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 Okay, now the last one is running. Run, run, run. Come on, run fast. Run, 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 run. Chala, chala, jaldi, 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 jaldi. Yes. Very good. Now sit down and clap for yourself. Clap. Well done. Chalo. Now let's start the class. Get your Hindi copy and write down today's date, 27 August 2021. August is the 8th month. That's why we had written 8 here. 27 August, that means 8/21. Let them write the date. Mothers, date उन्हें लिखने दीजिए. You write down the heading only. Write down today's date, kids. That is 27/8/2021. Okay. So we are going to write Akshar Ka Sena. So 2 times you have to write in the copy. Mothers, as you got the PDF, the same way we have to write 2 times. I'm going to write it only 1 time, but the child have to write it 2 times. And kids, the most important thing which I used to say every day is that you have to read the akshar first. जब मैम यहाँ लिखें आप उसे read करो और then लिखो. All right? मैं daily आपसे reading का कहती हूँ. Why? Because it's very important to read it first and then write. Let's start. Say क से कमल. After ख से खरगोश. Say and write. क से कमल, ख से खरगोश. Then ग से गमला. Say and write. Read it and write it. Then घ से घर. आफ्टर घर से घर आना है खाली, बजाओ ताली. Then च से चम्मच. छ से छाता. छ से चम्मच, छ से छाता. Then ज से जग. छ से चम्मच, छ से छाता, ज से जग. Then after j, say and write kids. Jha se झंडा. Now at this stage, mothers, it's your responsibility. Kindly make sure whenever I'm taking any revision now, the child say the akshar or the letters, whatever I am teaching. Please, I need your cooperation. झ से झंडा and निया. निया है खाली, बजाओ ताली. Then त से टमाटर, त से टमाटर. Then ठ से ठठेरा, ड से डमरू, say and write. ढ से ढक्कन, and ण, न है खाली, बजाओ ताली. Then त से तरबूज, थ से थर्मस, then द से दवात, ध से धनुष, and ना से नल. So क से ना तक आपको you have to write it 2 times. Ma'am has written only 1 time, but आपको 2 times लिखना है. You have to write it 2 times. Let's say it one more time. Come on. क से कमल, ख से खरगोश. Look in your copy and read. ग से गमला, घ से घर, and अणा. अणा है खाली, बजाओ ताली. Then च से चम्मच, छ से छाता, ज से जग, झ से झंडा, and निया. Okay, just a minute.